Money on Facebook in 2020. Hi guys, how you doing? This is your boy Tutu BLE Double F. Too blessed, that's what they call me, and I want to appreciate you for taking out your time for checking out this video. I really appreciate it, and I'm not taking it for granted at all. Thank you and God bless you. And I'm so sorry for the noise that you're hearing right now. Now the fan is blowing so fast. Noise is coming, TV noise is coming from the sitting room. That's why you're hearing all this noise that you're hearing right now. But notwithstanding that, let's get down into today's business. But before we get down into today's business, if you're new to this channel right now, guys, I want you to click the subscribe button down below. That red button is seen down below this video. Click it right now so you can subscribe to this channel, and click the bell notification beside it so you can be notified anytime I release a new video. Then don't forget to like this video also. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes today. It cannot happen except by you. You are the one that can make this happen. So like this video right now, share it on all social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and let your friends also benefit from this video right now. Don't forget that you can comment down below also, and let me ask me any question whatsoever. Let me know what kind of video you want me to do next, and I will be on my way to do the video for you. And guys, before we also go into today's business, you can see these are a bunch of courses that I have right now in my iCard. You can see this is my folder right now. This is Gary V. If you don't know Gary V, search for all these people that you are seeing their name here right now. Front Action, search for their name. Ty Lopez, search for their name. This is Sam Ovu, search for their name. Dino Gomez, search for their name. Derek Struggle, Bradley Riley, search for them. This is Grant Cardone, search for them. This is Ullman. This guy is big on YouTube. Grant Cardone is big in business, real estate. Gary V is big in online. Tyler Perez is big in real estate and online. This guy is big in digital marketing. Guys, this is Forex trading course. All this course I have here right now, guys. All of this course I have here right now. And if you want this course, you stay to the end of this video and I'll show you how you can get this course from me right now. These courses are going for from $100 to about $2,000 from the owner. If you have the money to go and get it from them, you can go right now, go get this course from them right now. And I tell you, this course is going to do a whole lot of good for you guys. If you go get it from this owner, go to get it, go get it, go to Tyler Perez, go get it, go to Sam Oven, go get this course from them. But if you want to get this course from me, then stay to the end of this video and I'll show you how you can get this course from me. So guys, let's get down to today's business. So here is where we are right now. How to make money from Facebook is why we're here. You want to make money from your Facebook account, guys. All you just need to do right now is to just come to your page. This is my page right now. This is my picture. It's too blessed right now. Like my page, comment, follow me, and all that. And all you just need to do is, guys, can just come here right now and just post something here right now. What do you post here right now? That is where the trick comes in from. So guys, you don't have to do any of this work by yourself. Let me tell you a story. Recently a woman contacted me through this Facebook that you're seeing here right now about a few weeks ago, and she said do I design a logo? And what do you expect? I said yes, even though I don't design the logo. I said yes, I designed the logo. And what did I do? She said, how much did I charge? I said I charge $200 for a logo. And she said she's very low at budget right now, that she can only pay $100. Guys, she paid me $100 for that logo. And what did I do? I don't even design the logo myself. I don't even know how to use graphics. I don't know about graphics. And what did I do? I run here directly to where? Fiverr. This is where I run to. Fiverr. I know you know about Fiverr. Everybody know about Fiverr. And if you don't know about Fiverr, I'm going to leave a link below this video right now. Click the link and it'll take you to this site, Fiverr. So I come to Fiverr right now and I type logo there right now. Logo. On this side, as I type logo right now, it's going to bring hundreds, if not thousands of people that can design logo for me right now. You can see like brothers. These are people that are designing logo, and some of them can design from $5. Some can charge you to $100. Some can even charge $200 for a logo. But guys, if you search very well, you see somebody who will do it for $5, $10, and all that. You can see all these ones are very expensive. Why these guys are expensive? Because when they start making money on Fiverr, most of these guys start from $5 and $10. But when they start growing, when they start getting clients, most clients, they then increase their price. That's one thing about them. They increase their price, and which is fine, which is what everybody do, because you are now getting reviews. People now know you. People are now buying from you. You don't have a choice now. You have to increase your price. So I come to Fiverr here right now, and I get a guy. I can dig inside right now to search for the guy that helped me to design. See, this one I even designed for 200, and this is for $10. So I come to this site and I get a guy for $5. Guys, all these ones are big boys. All these ones that are charging $100 and $200, they are big boys. If you want to really get somebody very cheap, you can come to you can come to you can come to somewhere here, and you can search. You can come to somewhere here right now. Guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so I don't want to keep digging inside. So, but you can just search. You see, there are tons of people that can still do for $5. There are many of them. All you just need to do is to search very deep inside right now. Search very deep inside. You see $10. Even if you pay $10 to design a logo, it's still very fair. When you search, when somebody pay you $100, but I tell you, I only pay $5 on this website, and they designed the logo. They designed the logo for me, and let me see if I can locate the logo that they designed for me. I can find the logo right now. This is gonna really take. This is gonna really. But the thing is, she contacted me. I designed the logo, and boom, that is it. And I gave the logo to her in less than about 2 days or 3 days, and my $100 is in my pocket. So guys, where do you start to do this? Don't start to go and post this on group yet. Start with your Facebook page. Start with your friends and your loved ones, people who knows you already. So because your friends and your family, they are already on here, so just come here right now, look for a service that you want to sell right now. If it's a logo design, if it's a website, just come to your page, type it here that I will design a logo for you, your business logo for you. I will design a logo for $100. A professional, you can put a professional. I will design a professional logo. Design a professional logo for $100, and you just click, and you just post this right there, and all your friends and loved ones will see it. You may not even you can even remove the price, so that as many as possible people can contact you. You can remove the price and let them just reach out to you and say, hey, how much is your logo, how much is this, and you can then tell them and collect the money from them. So guys, when you start getting people, friends and family giving you job, you can do as many as possible. You can get website design, you can get banner, you can get poster, you can do anything. You can get write copy, video, animation, music, audio, programming. You can design mobile app, you can design anything. Look at games, flyers, anything. Just get all those things on here and start and keep posting them on your own page. Let your friends and family begin to see them. Even if they don't hire you themselves, they can get their friends or their neighbors or something that are interested in this design, and these guys can do it for you. Then when you start getting all those things, then you can start going to groups. Start coming to groups like this, business groups like this, see, groups like this, then post it there that I will design a logo for you in less than 24 hours. I will design a website design for you in less than 24 hours. I will design a mobile app for you in less than 24 hours. And all these people will start reaching out to you, and they'll start saying, how much is your logo? How much is your website design? What did I have to do to get your logo, and all of those things. So guys, that is using Facebook and Fiverr together. That's that, guys. So in this course that I talk about, any of this course that you need right now, like I said, for just $10, just pick any of this course right now, and I will give it to you for just $10. Thank you guys for taking out your time for checking out this video. I really appreciate you. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Cool. Later. And don't forget, if you've not subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button right now. Subscribe, like, share, comment down below this video right now. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know the video that you want me to do next, so I can get on my way and do the video for you. And don't forget to, my email is going to be down below this video. Email me and tell me, hey, Too Blessed, I want this course. and I will send this course right to you directly in your